Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Perch offers a delicate, sweet flavor perfect for any meal. This beautiful fish is incredibly versatile, making it an excellent choice even if you're new to cooking seafood. Its flaky white meat absorbs seasonings wonderfully, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. You'll find it cooks quickly and easily, transforming a simple dinner into something truly special. This mild, sweet profile is a delightful surprise for many. Start by gently rinsing and patting your perch dry. Proper preparation ensures the best taste and texture, so take a moment for this key step. Make sure all scales are removed and the fish is thoroughly gutted. If you prefer boneless fillets, a sharp knife makes this process much easier. Some people like to leave the skin on for extra crispiness when pan frying, which adds wonderful texture. You're now ready for seasoning. A simple lemon, butter, and herb combination truly shines with perch. Begin by sprinkling the fish generously with fine sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then, add a touch of fresh dill or parsley for a bright, aromatic lift. For an extra layer of visual appeal and subtle warmth, consider dusting with a dash of paprika. Remember, fresh ingredients make a huge difference here. These simple flavors let the perch's natural sweetness come through. Pan frying creates a deliciously crispy skin and tender interior, making it a fantastic method for perch. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned fish into the hot pan, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the fish is beautifully golden brown and flakes easily with a fork. This quick method locks in all the flavor. Serve your perfectly cooked perch immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best. A fresh squeeze of lemon juice truly brightens the flavors and adds a zesty finish. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or dill for a vibrant touch. This delicate fish pairs wonderfully with simple, light sides. Consider steamed green beans, a fresh garden salad, or fluffy white rice. Enjoy the incredible taste of your homemade, perfectly cooked perch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.